Sound check. Good morning. From one of the most iconic landmarks in the world, the Dubai Frame. Today, we are not just sightseeing. We're lacing up and jogging through one of the most unique urban spots in the UAE. From skyline views to sunrise vibes, this is a fitness with the views like no others. Let's hit the ground running, literally. We are mixing with fitness, views, and a little bit of a city magic. So stick around because this is gonna be a one epic adventure.